By the way, the beginning is gonna be most of this video. This is the only time where I'm actually speaking normal words. I love horses. Wait a minute. I have to break character for this second real quick. Frog and Toad reclaim the Holy Land. You know, I read the Bible too much this week. I can't say anything about this. Horsey. Horsies. You know, I think if I see one more Lord of the Rings thing, I will end the video. You know, I don't think I should address the elephant in the room, especially for this entire video. Alright, see you guys in the next video. Comment on what I should do next on Pinterest, or DeviantArt of all places anyways. Ciao.